Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone ready. Confirm MUI is current and free at least 1 GB for map tiles, then enable location and Wi-Fi scanning so position is accurate. Next, install a Google Services bridge like Gspace or plan to use Google Maps in the browser. Once done, turn off battery optimization for the Maps app so background navigation won't be killed. These steps let you run Google Maps reliably on a Huawei Y6p without the Play Store. Now install and set up Google Maps. Launch Gspace, sign into your Google account, and install Maps inside that environment. Alternatively, open Maps. Google.com in your browser and save a shortcut. Once Maps runs, download offline areas while on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges, choose voice navigation language, and set transport preferences. Make sure location mode is high accuracy and grant microphone access for voice directions. These middle steps prepare routing and offline use, so navigation is smooth and predictable. To finish, start a route and verify turn-by-turn guidance works. Calibrate the compass by moving the phone if arrows wobble. While navigating, keep Wi-Fi on for assisted GPS and monitor battery usage. If GPS drifts, toggle location off and on, enable Wi-Fi scanning, or recalibrate sensors. If Maps crashes, clear the app cache or reinstall Maps inside Gspace. One key troubleshooting tip: always download offline maps beforehand. This solves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.